Uh, Hello, sir. My name is Manja Pius, and I'm here to take you through my part in Group 7, which is to export student data to a CSV file. We're exporting the student's name, date of birth, registration number, course code, and the tuition to a file, CSV file. So here we have a function called export students to file, and it takes in a parameter, a file name, which is a pointer to a character array. The character array indicates the student's data, and this will be a constant. And this function doesn't return anything because its data type is void. If it was returning a value, it will be another case. So here we have an object with a pointer file initialized by the file, the fopen function, taking in the file name and rate. So here we are opening the file using this function. Then we are passing in the file name. We have the rate. W means rate. If you are reading, it will be R. So if this file equal to null, null means that file is invalid, or the person trying to open doesn't have authorization or anything. Then prints an error, the file opening, and there is an error opening file for writing. So this line prints the header. In a CSV file, we may want a header or is a reading of data to indicate which values are in each column. So we shall have a column for name, date of birth, the registration number, the course code, and the annual tuition the student pays. So here we have an array of students. When you're creating students, when the admin is creating students, there is an array of students. So by looping through that array, we are using these placeholders. We are writing this information into the CSV file, and after a successful loop, the file closes. So to go through the implementation in the main, we have this is so here when an admin calls for option 7, which is to export students, the export function is called, and earlier we said it takes in one parameter, which is the name of the file. So in this case, it takes in the students the CSV file. So after it does all the work and prints in the values, and it prints that students were exported to a file successfully. So to go through this, if I'm to close this, so we have an executable file. If we create a student by choosing option 1, we have a student name, Mayanja, then maybe the date of birth is 1, 2, 3, 4, then the registration number is 23, then program code is CSS, then tuition maybe 2000. If I'm to choose option 7, which is to export to file, here they tell you the student exported to file successfully. So if I'm to check the file, which is to see that the student data is exported. So we have the name, which is in white, the date of birth, the number, then the course code and the tuition. That's all.